तेरे पैरों से लिपटे होंगे तूने जब आखिरी खत
He looks familiar.
तूने जब भूल
Where have I seen him before?
से निकाले होंगे
He's got a beautiful voice.
वाला भी तुझे याद तो होगा
I think I have a friend who looks like him.